Yo guys, it's your boy Alexandrus guys, and I'm back with an exciting information that there is a new event with $1 million prize pool on MEXC guys. So I will be walking you through this today, but before we start, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it guys. So IP Infinity $1 million prize pool guys, this is the event of today. As you know, MEXC, really cool exchange. I made multiple videos about them. If you want to start trading your crypto, if you are looking for a cool centralized exchange that is easy to use, user friendly, and very easy to navigate basically with cool features, then definitely MEXC is the way to do it. They also have those exclusive events such as this one that I will be covering for you guys today. So they have bunch of cool things here that are basically available within the event guys. So let me tell you all of that. There is a lot of profit to be made basically. You can enjoy also zero trading fees, as you can see, zero fee trading with IP. You can stake IP to unlock up to 400% APR, as you can see, and there is also a possibility to trade spot to share 20,000 IP and trade futures to share 200,000 in USDT, also paid in IP. So that's cool because you get the token for trading the token. So if you are a fan of IP, if you want to trade it, if you hodl, or if you basically trade futures on it, then you might as well go ahead and move to MEXC, because you can get some nice exclusive rewards for that guys. So first things first, you can unlock this zero fee trading with IP, so you can enjoy zero fees with IP on select spot and futures pairs during the event. So this is great, you are not losing any money whatsoever on fees. Then you can stake IP to unlock 400% APR. This is for new users. You just hit the stake now, it will bring you to the staking, and as you can see, you have IP story here, 400% APR for 3 days, which is pretty cool. They also have a bunch of other promotions for new users. As you can see, there is a lot of APR on this, so if you want, you can try it out. As I said, MEXC, really cool exchange. These offers are all limited time, so make sure to utilize them if you want to. Then you can also deposit and trade spot. As I said, you share 10,000 IP. This is also new user exclusive. So during the event, make a net deposit of 20 IP, 100 USDT or 100 USDC, and achieve a total IP to USDT trading volume of at least $100 to receive 2 IP. Rewards are limited to 5,000 users on a first come first served basis. So this is really easy. You can get 2 IP for free by just, flipping the 100 USDT. Then you can also boost spot trades and share 10,000 IP guys during the event, trade IP on spot and reach a total trading volume of 10,000 USDT to qualify for a share of 10,000 IP. Rewards will be distributed proportionally based on your valid IP trading volume. The more you trade, the greater your rewards. The maximum individual reward is 200 IP, which is also very cool, right? So that's nice. And you can also trade the futures to share 200,000 USDT in futures bonus. If you go to trade now, it will obviously bring you to the futures of IP to USDT. As you guys can see, with the leverage that you want, you can go ahead and trade here with the leverage up to 50x. So that's really nice. And as you can see, IP is actually showing some interesting price movement. So if you are a good trader, then you can definitely utilize this to your advantage. I'm seeing a little pattern here, but I wouldn't consider myself a good trader. Maybe a decent one, but not a good one. But yeah, definitely money to be made here. So that's cool. You can utilize the event to trade without fees, to profit of futures if you know how to do it, and to also share those reward price pools, which is also pretty cool. Obviously, you can refer people to join MEXC and earn rewards as well, get the new user rewards and stuff like that. So the whole event page will be linked in the description of this video, so you guys can go ahead and check it out yourself. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about it. I'm personally thinking that it's a nice opportunity to get some IP for free, especially if you already invested into it. Then you can just stake it here on MEXC for a few days and get yourself some more completely for free by just letting your money work for you. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in the next videos. Bye.